In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tick symbol in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC's fill and sign feature. Whether you're preparing documents, double checking a list, or simply marking up a file, adding a tick symbol can be incredibly handy, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is your first crucial step. You can do this by launching the Acrobat application and navigating to your file directory to select the PDF you want to work with. Once your file is open, you'll have a full view of the document you intend to annotate. Next, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of your Acrobat window. You will find an icon labeled All Tools. Click on this and it will lead you to a comprehensive list of Acrobat's features. Each of these tools serves different purposes, but today we're focusing on the fill and sign option, which simplifies the process of adding checks, ticks, and signatures to your documents. Click on Fill and Sign to activate this tool. With the fill and sign feature activated, it's time to find the checkmark icon within the toolset. This icon allows you to seamlessly add tick symbols to your document. Click this icon, and you'll be ready to place the symbol anywhere on your PDF. Now, move your cursor to the specific location within your document where you wish to place the tick mark. This flexibility allows you to select the exact position that best suits your document's layout or your visual preference. Once you've decided where you want the tick to appear, click the spot to set it in place. But what if the tick mark isn't quite the right size, or maybe you'd prefer a different color? That's easily adjustable. You can resize the tick mark by clicking and dragging its corner points. This ensures that the tick appears neither too small nor overly dominant in your document. Additionally, Adobe Acrobat Pro DC allows you to change the color of the tick mark. To do this, use the color options accessible within the fill and sign menu. Changing the color might be particularly useful if you want the tick mark to stand out more prominently or blend seamlessly with other elements of your PDF. And there you have it, you've successfully added a tick symbol to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This simple yet effective feature helps in making your document editing tasks more efficient and visually organized. Feel free to experiment with different sizes and colors to meet your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and other software tools.